I have a question.
Yeah.
In order to arrive accurate action, how much percentage we should follow brain and how much we should follow heart?
Yeah. Actually, there is no difference between heart and mind. And science will agree on this point. It is our perception. Can anybody tell where mind ends and heart begins, and where heart ends and mind begins? Can anybody differentiate? Where is mind? It is our idea that we are working through mind, we are working through heart. If someone is very emotional, we say he is heart oriented. But heart is not about emotionality. If someone is very rational, very logical, we say he is mind oriented, he is not heart oriented. But it is not that way. Anybody who is very rational, very thoughtful, very aware can be very heart oriented, and anybody who is very emotional can be very mind oriented, very clever, very cunning, very calculative. His every tear is very calculative, very diplomatic. So my division between mind and heart is not true thing. For the correct action or appropriate action, we have to perform total action, action from the being, from the totality of being, where heart and mind function in a sync. It is a unity. So why we have to divide ideologically heart and mind? Heart and mind is the same. Action through being from the totality, and that will perform always the correct thing. Where heart and mind and everything, whatever it is, everything, we don't know. But with the totality of action, that is needed. So don't discriminate. Where thought is needed, it should be there. Where emotion is needed, it should be there. Can we disconnect? We cannot disconnect. It is very natural. Actually, every thought has its own emotion and every emotion has its own thought. Try to perceive. Try to watch your thought. Your every thought has its own kind of emotion, and your every emotion has its own kind of thought. So they are in oneness, they function in oneness. So when we realize, oh, that is only ideological difference, and actually whenever we act, we don't think like this, we only act. Do we think? Do we discriminate? Now I will have this glass of water with my mind, and I am talking through my heart. Never. Action is always total. Action is always from the totality of being, and it is only conditioned idea. Conditioned idea which discriminate. So my suggestion is drop this idea, drop this division. In most of the spiritual scenario, they talk like this: heart oriented, mind oriented, and division of heart and mind. My simple suggestion is drop all kind of division, all kind of discrimination. We are one total being. When whatever is needed, it will function.
Yeah, but there are many occasions, circumstances when your heart and mind conflict. On a particular path that you have taken.
No. Conflict is there.
So there could be two routes to saying that emotionally you should do this, but this is the right thing to do.
No. Actually,
so which way do you go?
Actually, try to perceive. Conflict is there. Not conflict between heart and mind. Actually, conflict is there. So we have to watch that conflict. What is that conflict? And as soon we resolve the conflict, there is a way. It's not emotional way, it's not rational way. It's the correct way which emerges out of the resolution. So, make things simple. Don't say it is a conflict between this and that. It is simply conflict. At this moment, you are not clear about anything. At this moment, you are clouded with so many things. You are enveloped with the confusion, enveloped with the confused energy, I say. So, and solution will emerge simply watching that conflict.
If I want to judge a person, that how good he is from the heart, so this is spontaneous, something comes in his heart, it is in his mouth. So I will say he's a very true person. There is nothing in his heart. Another person is a very clever person. He uses his brain every time. So his brain overrules his heart. So I will say that person is maybe a little bit shrewd person. So how to arrive, that this is a better person or this is a better person? Because brain can be, criminal brain can be there. Brain can be,
even heart can be, even heart can be, sir, even heart can be criminal. Most of the crime is through heart. Just analyze newspaper. Actually, we have no criteria who is right and who is wrong. It is changing scenario moment by moment. And your body can only tell, not mind and not heart. Feel your body. Connect with the energy field of your body. And your body will tell you. If you are here, your body will tell you you are comfortable, you are uncomfortable. This is a spiritual thing.
So heart and mind typically, I think what it means is the right brain and the left brain. So
Yeah,
technically, logical.
technically we can say like
So
this.
that's what it is.
And this is left brain.
Psychologists, I think, have evidence to say that there is a right brain and there is a left brain. There is emotionally more evolved side and there is a logical side. And you can be a mix of these, and your life will be a mix of these. The right
Mix
brain.
of this, but nowadays the psychological scenario is evolving, and they have started to say actually there is a unified mind. They have started to say. You can explore it on net. So, in my teaching, the fundamental teaching, we are living in a unified field. Discrimination is human creation.